Hi, Bryn here. Now you may find yourself wanting to remove the washing machine dispenser drawer from your washer, the most common reasons being to give it a good old clean or replace it entirely. Well, in this very short video, I'm going to show you how to replace washing machine dispenser drawers for Hotpoint and Indesit washers. One of the most common types rotate open like this Hotpoint one here. You want to make sure the drawer is open fully so it lifts over the lip on the right hand side. Then give the whole drawer a bit of a tug. It will release from its catch and the drawer slides out. To replace it, you want to make sure these runners here re-engage with the runners on the door. Slide it back in so it clicks and then lift it over the lip on the right hand side so that it closes. The other most common type of drawer simply slide out like this, and they typically have some sort of lever that you press down to release the drawer. To put it back in, just slide it like so. Told you it would be quick. To order any replacement dispenser drawers for all models of Indesit washing machine or to book your local Indesit engineer, visit indesitservice.co.uk.